Okay, in today's class, I am going to explain. I want to solve a question in Python. Okay, for this question, I want to write the code. Let us see how this question will be solved in Python. Okay, so as I told you that my free classes will be conducted on every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, thrice of a week, sharply at 8 p.m. on Zoom class link. And these classes I want to conduct throughout the world for the poor students especially whomever residing in rural areas. So poverty is not limited to one country, poverty is everywhere throughout the world. So anybody interested in how to enhance their programming skills, they can attend my classes, free classes, every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, thrice of a week. Okay, under my foundation, Lakshmi Narayan Krishna Foundation. I am retired army, retired. Okay, 30 years spent in army, Corps of Signals. Okay, now try to understand how we can solve this question in Python. So question is, write a class bank account, okay, with methods to deposit, withdraw and check the balance. So one class we need to create, class name bank account. So that bank account class, it must have some method, three methods: deposit method, withdraw method and check balance method. Okay, so demonstrate means we need to show how we can manage instance and class variables for each account. So we need to show the instance variable and class variables, how they will be managed for each account. Every account has, suppose, class bank account, class name is bank account. So within that class, objects are what? Real time objects, account holders. Okay, accounts, all that accounts are called object of that class bank account. So every account has a particular name, account number, his details, particular details, username, password, so many uh, attributes, means parameters will be there. So these all parameters, they need to be displayed whenever we want to get printout of that account is here object of class bank account. Okay, so let us see, and that common property of that all accounts may be one bank. So every bank has a name, that common property of bank name, that is to be shared with all objects, all account holders commonly. And instance variables are what which will be shared with along with object. So every object has unique parameters, means his name different, his id different, his details different. Okay, they will be shared with objects. So let us see. First of all, try to write the code. First, create a class. What is class in Python? Class will be started with keyword class. And what is class name? Bank account, bank, account. And I told you that this is compulsory. Then after, if you don't want to write any line of code, simply keep parameters. Question always that is to be kept inside of comment, triple comments, because many lines are here. That's why I want to keep big, triple quotes here, because no, because for every line I need to keep hash hash hash. Why? So triple quotes is simply used to keep comment all many lines, multiple lines. Now if you run this code, the code is okay, means pass statement. If I want to write any statements, remove that pass. Now question is what? To demonstrate instance and class variables, first of all create a class variable. That variable, class variable is what? How can we create class variable? that is commonly shared with all account holders. That is called bank name. So you write like bank name. Bank name. Bank name is what? It is what? Suppose take a bank, any bank, Canara Bank. Canara. Now this is what? Common property. Simply you can mention here, comment here, class var. Class var means variable. Huh? So this bank name Canara will be commonly shared with all object accounts. Next is what? To display instance variables. We need to create some instance variables. To create instance variables, use def keyword. Then I told you that double underscore init method. This is called double underscore initialization method to initialize the object to assign the